Okay, ladies and gentlemen of the world. Now, most of you are probably familiar with that flag. And if you see it, many of you will say the Union Jack, whereas it's supposed to be called the Union Flag. And if you Google it, there's reasons behind that, but yours truly is going to make it easier for you. Okay, here's a bit about Union Flag or Jack, and it says here, where are we? Okay, when the first Union Flag was introduced for use at sea in 1606, it was flown at the ship's main masthead, right? That's a big mast in the middle of the ship that goes up. However, about 30 years later, it had become the custom to fly a smaller version from a short mast on the bowsprit as well. The bowsprit's at the front of a ship, vessel, and in those days, Jack meant small. So when it says Union Jack, it means Union small. So they flew a smaller flag from the front of a vessel, and that smaller flag became known as the Union Jack. And as time goes by, for whatever reason, people have referred to this flag as the Union Jack, but strictly speaking, it is the Union Flag. The other thing, okay, why is it called the Union Jack or the Union Flag? Because it's made up of three countries of three flags. Flags of three countries. Yeah. England, Scotland, and Ireland. What about Wales, you say? Well, Wales, God bless its little heart, has kind of been, assimilated, incorporated, whatever. Some of you kind of probably use a different word, but it's sort of, together. It's lumped in with sort of England, really. Still is today. There's lots of laws that just apply to England and Wales, where Scotland has its own laws about things. But for whatever reason, England has become the more dominant and well-known. So there's three flags: England, Scotland, and Ireland. Now, of course, we've got Northern Ireland, we've got Southern Ireland. Okay, that seems to be irrelevant here. Okay, so that is the main flag. Now, okay, here we go. The Cross of St. Andrew, this one on the left, okay, was added to the Cross of St. George, this one on the right, in 1606 when the James VI of Scotland became James I of England. Same human being. He was James VI of Scotland, and then he became James I of England. So the Scottish king became the English king. I know it's weird, but there you go. Anyway, and he incorporated the two flags, so you got that. Okay, we're almost there. Now, of course, you just got the Irish bit. The Cross of St. Patrick, this one here, okay, was added to the other flag when the union with Ireland took place in 1801, and that's why you've got that. Brilliant, isn't it? Now you know you're a subscriber. Where are we? We're still in the Portsmouth Dockyard, by the way.